Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Max Palaro speaking. And welcome to Widget Incorporated, a game where you mix incremental clicker with factory building. That's the kind of game I can dive into and never come out of. Because I love factory games, I love incremental clicker games. Incremental games. Right? They say that you keep increasing more and more, you keep growing, and it makes perfect sense to have a factory clicker game. It makes a lot of sense. So let's get started here. Let's start a new game. I was just testing it and I thought it was amazing. I need to record this. Basically, we have to create a widget. What is a widget? It's a screw, I don't know. You have to click here and it creates a basic widget. The foundation of all modern technology. First, it's in Portuguese. The game also helps a lot, okay? This is the default layout. I'll teach you a few things, but first, let me show you something. Look at the tech tree, which is for you to upgrade things in your factory. We have a few things to do. We have tier 1, level 2, level 3. It even goes up to level 1, 2, and there's a lot for us to do, okay? But I'll explain it soon. We also have a map. You have a map of where you're going to build things. Here's my widget factory, and basically, it uses 1 iron ingot. I have 4 in stock, and it produces a basic widget. So if we click here, look at that, we created it, and now we don't have enough iron ingots to make new widgets. Alright, but okay, so what? Here, if I want, I can buy an auto fabricator. It costs 3 iron ingots and 3 basic widgets. I can click here. While it's got this orange thing, it's manufacturing, okay? That's the idea. It has no resource and is just waiting for one to arrive. So we're going to come here to the construction menu and we're going to build our iron mine. I can place it anywhere, so I can put it here on the side. It's going to be built because it was built with enough resources, right? Next, we visit another factory, the iron mine. Click these buttons to collect the iron ore. So here the iron ore is showing up here at the top. Alright, let's click on this so we can do it. We can also create the auto miners here. Let's build at least 1 in each place to start. Another thing we have to do now is take this iron and put it in the iron smelter. I come here, carry up to 20 of these, and we load them up to make the ingots. Automatically with this, it will make 16 of these here. Each ore makes 1 ingot. When I have something to be built, they'll have the resources, and then they're built. See? It built this one automatically. Now we can create more widgets without constantly clicking. I've already activated my auto clicker. We'll just use it since I don't want to get sore. I already have carpal tunnel problems, okay? To be honest with you, I have a problem. My fingertips are tingling. I might need surgery, but we'll see. It's causing shocks in my hand. Getting old is tough, but let's go. It's already producing a bit, see? It's collecting the ore by itself. Just takes some time. We can speed it up by clicking since there's no auto clicker. We have to click, return here, and load more into the foundry. You already get it. You're smart and understand the basics, which is very interesting. You'll have a bunch of factories, you'll increase the amount of resources, and that will keep things moving forward. We also have the tech trees. Look at that. How nice. Can I buy a furnace optimizer? It unlocks a new upgrade. It automatically starts smelting iron when it's full, so when it reaches 20 out of 20 in the furnace, it starts automatically. Very good, but it costs 7 ingots and 6 basic widgets. Click here to use them. 5 ingots are missing, so let's make 5 here. It's already making them for me here, and now I'm going to try to improve iron production. That's the main thing. Maybe I'll even buy the upgrades here so we can get them as soon as possible. We managed to unlock the furnace optimizer. Now I can come here, but I have to install the optimizer. So it's not just like, oh, okay, done, start, right? And it's really cool. Exactly, because it becomes very complex. If I want to build a new iron smelting factory, it's just too slow. I have to install the modules to make it the way I want. So let's get started here. I have to improve getting the mineral resources here, the iron mine to start with. So let's spend some time here. I'm going to buy everything to make it automated. So it's gonna spend all my money. So let's take a little time here to get the mine, the iron part. We come here, deposit. Oh, it's already at the maximum. Deposit here, I have to wait. That's what I promised. See? If it was automatic, I wouldn't have waited. Let's see, Don. He'll finish this. Not yet. So deposit the rest of the iron ore here. While he's doing this here, look how long it takes. While he's smelting, we come back here and get more of these. We're going to run out of widgets too. There will be a moment when we run out of widgets, but let me gather some iron ingots so we can start worrying about the basic widget. Then it will build everything automatically. The idea is to leave everything at most at this iron mine production factory. And it's cool that we can modify the place we have later on. We can change the space here. there will be some resources that you can only get in one area. Here, look, prairie, here is forest, here is grass, here is rock, here is mountain, here is water. So, there will be a lot of resources for us to collect and expand our factory. Let's go. Finished here. Let's add more resources and smelt iron. I'll need it soon. Let me see what I'll need here. I need a basic widget. Oh, you're putting all the ingots here, right? All right. Now I've made the ingots that are in my inventory there so I can come here and produce the widgets quickly. It's already updating everything with items updated here and things producing automatically. For me, I can also try to check here. See? Efficient extraction unlocks an upgrade that boosts iron mining speed by 40%. It costs 30 ingots and 29 basic widgets. Let's put it here and let's do the whole setup here. Keep putting the iron here, the ore. I wish I could build another smelting factory right now. To be honest with you, I think, or maybe improve this here. Look, let's spend here. Keep putting in the next ingots that we're going to add to put it automatically so I don't have to keep watching. Mainly, I have to keep clicking. It's not very efficient, right? The factory is slow, and watching it isn't helpful. Let's go. I'll just waste time here, putting in all 20. We're producing a lot of ore. We're managing to keep up production here. Let's go. We're using all our bars and ingots. Is it because I'm putting them here? Look, it's producing here. See, 30 iron ingots. And now I need to produce the basic widgets. But before I do that, I need to do more smelting. Make it all automated. So at least we don't have to keep watching it all the time. Let's see. I wanted to know what its timing is. I can check here. Speed is at 0% extra and total productivity is at 0%. So it's the same here. Click to speed it up. Once it hits maximum, production begins. Let's see. Let's click here. While I'm not doing anything, we can click here. I want to increase the speed. Look, I have the widget ready. The widget doesn't have the bar stopped, right? Now the stopped bars can. Let me see. Merge more here. I can make the widgets. Let's go. Made one, tech increased. Not yet. 5 left. All right, I can click here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unlocked the efficient extraction technology. To make this work, I need to upgrade the factory and click here. It doesn't start automatically. So click here. Keep making iron smelting. Let's go. Come on. Click here some more. I set up a queue. It's done. Make more widgets now. I need them. Use all the widgets available. If there's leftover material, are we not producing? Extraction is done. Let me check. I finished the speed upgrade here. So now we're going to produce iron faster. We're producing here. I wanted to leave it. Everything's automated, right? There's not much else to do, unless we just want to waste time here. Maybe we should upgrade something. Let's check the tech tree to see if anything can help us. Look, I can double the amount of level 1 items created manually. That's cool. I have to spend on this, right? Wow, 989. Basic widget, it's a lot. Deconstructing allows you to remove structures from the world with a partial refund. I can unlock a new upgrade here to smelt faster. I want this one instead. Cancel the other. Start with this one and make lots of widgets. I've already unlocked it. Now it's faster. Now here it's gonna stay. It's gonna speed up. No, I need to get the upgrade. Now it's gonna be faster. Look, is it done already? The speed increased for the production from 1 to 4. I'll put it here faster, then more and more minerals will go up. You'll notice things will start moving insanely fast. Now let's see what else I can get. I need to unlock at level 2. I have to. Look at the cost. Unlocking level 2 requires 864 basic widgets. To reach level 3, level 2 must be unlocked first. Let's check here. Unlocks a new upgrade that boosts basic widget productivity by 15%. Alright, let's get all the possible upgrades that I can get. And then we'll build the resources so we can keep making ingots and widgets faster and faster and so on. Let's keep clicking here because the iron ore is running out. Come on, let's do the upgrades. I think that's important so we don't have to build new factories, you know? Later on, we'll start making new factories. Look, we're starting to have extra iron ingots. That means we're running low on widgets here, right? By the way, let's buy all of this too. Let's make a bunch of widgets here to manufacture. Look, I can also improve the speed here. Just get everything ready and continue manufacturing. They'll keep building while I set things up. Click here so we can deliver more. 2 factories would be nice, but for now it's fine. Come on, more widgets, please. Look, it unlocked a new technology. It increases the basic widget creation speed by 50%. Come on, click more. That's great, let's go. Go back to the iron mines and back to the foundry here. That's how it is. If we have leftover ingots, are we missing something elsewhere? Everything here is already complete. The ingots are here and everything is unlocked. I just need to finish level 2 first. How's widget production? I haven't started yet either. I need more. Let's make more. The technology will launch, and once acquired, we'll begin upgrading the factories here. There's a production order, right? If I choose the more expensive technology, it'll produce that first, then the cheaper one. Create more widgets. Eventually, it'll start making these in front of me. Hurry and finish the technology. Which one is being worked on? Structure relocation allows you to move structures on the map without penalty. Drag and drop to move. Go ahead and get this upgrade here too. And soon, I'll want to get this one. No, wait. Cancel this one. Not yet. I need 864 widgets. That's a lot. Hold on a bit. Let's keep clicking here to deliver the ingot. Done. Keep getting more. It's now making the device that produces widgets automatically, but we've run out of iron. Why is there no iron? The ore must be refined before use. Oh, and yes, I spent too much. Let's get some more here. Go ahead and click on the widget over there. Let's go. Look at that. It's producing more. Look, the structures here have become more complex. All right, now we can produce more. Should I build another iron foundry? Let me check the cost and map overview. Inventory. I have items. Also, the quantities I'm producing. Look, 1.4 max 1.7, 1.4. Very good. The new technology is done. Oh, I'm smelting first. Where did I click to smelt? I have to put the materials in here first. Alright, now everything is faster, right? Clicking now sets 2 instead of 1, so this mastery at level 1 is better. That's good. Let's go. I'll build another factory. It may be crazy, but it costs 29 and 21. Let's set it aside. I'll add another. Why can't I put it, huh? I put it in the wrong place. Wait, I put it in the wrong place. Cancel. I put it in the wrong place. Put it here on the side. Done. Now we're good to go. I have to upgrade everything and click here to do it all. So when I start delivering the products, we can get things done. And I can't go in here yet because I haven't built it, right? Okay, produce more. Come on, I need more iron. Let's go. Keep clicking on the iron here. Wow, this is going to start getting crazy. I can already produce, but now I'm upgrading. So buy everything you can. It updates automatically after you click once and will then start producing on its own. Look at that. It's all automatic. Everything is showing up there. Nice. Look, here it's over 20 and it's producing. Let's go. Things will start appearing. See, that's it. I'm really liking this. It's really good. But I can't keep up with the ingot production because I have to keep clicking to get more and more iron ore. Set up something automatic, bro. Everything needs to run on its own. You can't just wait. Optimizing the furnace is crucial, especially since the worst outcome is when it hits 20 and just stops. Waiting for you to come over and click it. Now it's maxed out. Both factories are identical and fully upgraded. When you put it here, it already starts smelting the iron automatically. Wow, I have a lot now. I have over 100 iron ingots. Let's click on the widgets now. Let's make a bunch. Oh, I can't anymore. Storage is full. How do I get more storage? I have to activate it here. So it starts putting the widgets into technology. It works as storage. Let's keep clicking here, create several until we manage to do it. Look, I've already managed to make 1,000 items by hand, just with my hand here. Come on, make more here. Let's click to get more iron. The iron is fine for now. There's plenty, but 100 is my limit, right? In the stock, 100 is the limit. Anything above that just piles up and sits there, right? So let's produce more here. Look, 864. I have to create. Let's go. What's the ore production? I'm producing 2.8 and the ingot is 2.9, but efficiency isn't maxed out, right? See? You see, it's kind of orange. I'm not even making the widget because there's none left over. Let's make it here. We're already halfway there, huh? Soon, we'll get there. We're at 90 something. Let's click to make the widgets. Keep clicking non-stop. Maybe we can build another widget factory. They make them, but this thing here is really slow. When I click, it goes much faster. If I want to create another one, it's actually pretty cheap. Let's put another foundry here, another foundry thing, because we can't keep up with the amount of bars. This will likely keep increasing. I'll make more widgets. We're almost at level 2, which should unlock new technologies to make our work easier, right? Let's improve this. Do everything here, add the products now, and increase the speed. That's it. We'll handle it ourselves. Let's go. Max everything out. I just used all the iron, right? Now the iron is... the amount went down here. Let's go. It's almost done. It's coming. It's coming. Hey, it arrived. I reached it in 21 minutes and 21 seconds. Wow, it even shows my time to get here. Okay, now I can put it here. It increases productivity by 40% when placed on rocks. But I need a gyroscope. How do I make the gyroscope? Combine the basic widget with a delicate glass structure to make precise gyroscopes. Hold on, man. There's a lot here. Let's put a gyroscope here. To do this here, I needed it. It's already made. Inside here, it turns glass and a basic widget into a gyroscope. How do I do it? The glass melts pure sand into transparent glass. How do I collect sand? Widget rotator improves the rotations per minute to create spinning widgets. My god, what? Wait a minute. Put the glass here on the sand. I need to put it on the sand. I don't know how to smelt glass. How do I click? Too cold. How do I heat it up? Oh, I have to raise the temperature. Now it melts. There's not enough sand. How is that? I collect sand, extract and refine pure sand, put it here. Man, okay, my god. All right, let's go. Extract. Okay, it's extracting. I can buy the auto miner, which, by the way, I'll buy for everyone. It's just ingot and iron. Oh, wait, this is a rotating widget, okay? Now I can smelt the glass. Go ahead, smelt it. The glass is spinning. And now I'm gonna make the gyroscope here. Okay, I can keep clicking. I have to click and hold. Wow, it keeps spinning. I can't use the auto clicker or it stays like this. See, I have to click and release. I like these games that have these different mechanics, you know? Let's go. Now I can upgrade this one. 62 gyroscopes. Wow, increases smelting speed. I need gyroscope. Unlocks, increases furnace loading speed by 50%. Wow, man, there's a lot to do, okay? I need to make this widget rotator so we can collect sand faster here automatically. It's producing a bit here, but I wanted to keep it. Wait, I need a rotating widget. Let's make the rotating widgets then. I need 131 basic widgets to manufacture. Let's set it here. Wait, can I manufacture? What about my resources? The resources aren't here. Make more, come on. It produced and arrived, but storage is full. It made the thing here. What do I do now? I have to click. How is it? It's out of sync. Oh, I have to click at the right time. You're kidding me, right? I need to click at the right time here. See, boom, it's this rod, right? Huh? There's not enough gyroscope. Produce the gyroscope. Oh my god, it's a lot. There's going to be a lot of crazy stuff here. Upgrade these, install it, buy all, and we'll keep updating. Let's make the gyroscopes. To do that, I need to make the thing. The rotator here, right? Man, there has to be an upgrade here, which is right here, see? It increases how much I produce, doubles the amount of items. Let's make this one too. I don't even look at the iron anymore. The storage is full. Produce more regular widgets until the storage is full. All right, let's produce more sand, please. That way, it already increases the temperature and melts the glass. As I keep producing, the furnace temperature drops, so I have to come back and click again. I already have 30 pieces of glass. Now make more gyroscopes, man. This one is really annoying to have to do by hand because I can't use my auto clicker. Okay, I started producing automatically now, right? Or does it just take a while? But at least I'm producing a little bit of gyroscope automatically. I don't have to keep clicking at the right moment here. Let's go back to getting more sand. Look, all the sands are maxed out here. The glass is also producing everything at maximum. Perfect. I can keep clicking here. The gyroscope is the next thing I need. So let's make more gyroscopes. So we can make those spinning things there, spinning widgets. Then I have to go there and produce the spinning widget. Let's see, does this have to be automatic? It's even worth clicking on the auto clicker, but it only works for a moment. See this one? There you go. Let's make more. We could do that here too, right? That's it. Let's go. It's going to produce automatically. Everything is kind of producing automatically. Now let me see here. The sand is producing automatically. The glass is producing. You just need to increase the temperature. You have to remember to come here and increase the temperature, right? Okay? The gyroscope is running and producing results automatically. I don't even check these anymore, right?
Everything is upgraded here, but storage is full. I need more storage.
You can buy a warehouse. We're missing the rotating widget. Let's make more. Where are these rotating widgets being used here? Oh, wait, if I click O, can you speed it up? Do it like this, just click at the right time. Keep speeding it up. Oh, hey man, you alright? I didn't know that. I love clicker games with these mechanics, and if I mess up, it slows down. I love clicker games that have these different mechanics. You know, you can do things differently. Let's see, look, if we don't mess up, look, come on, focus, focus. Look, the speed increases, see? From production. Okay, just unlock level 2 mastery. Let me check here. Now each click produces 2 gyroscopes. Man, I think it's more worth it to do it like this. Look, it's producing 4 at a time. Look, it's creating several over there. Look, it's making more. Oh, we're out of glass. Get more sand. Storage is full. Make more glass. There you go, guys. Use that sand to make more glass. Let's see if we can upgrade something. Control the furnace temperature. Automatically adjust the furnace temperature. You can buy and upgrade it to increase sand extraction speed. I already bought it. Yeah, buy it all. Let's purchase everything and keep producing. That's the idea. We buy the upgrades, which improve things, and we have them install the stuff here. Come on, gyroscope, let's go. It's working fine here, okay? Do we have enough? Not really. We need to make more. Let's go. Now I make 2 at once, but we're out of glass again. Glass production is really slow. We need to speed it up. Do we need this here? Now, what's the next thing I have to make, huh? To get to level 3, I'd have to make 961 spinning widgets. Man, the production probably starts getting insane. I mean, I don't even look at this anymore, right? The storage is full, the warehouse is already at maximum. How much inventory resources do I have? Let me check. There's iron ingot, but I still need to build the warehouse, right? Now I need to build the warehouse. Let's build it then. I don't know. Build it here because I need it. Rotating widget and basic widget. Okay, make some basic widgets. Great. Now make rotating widgets. Let's go. I don't have enough rotation. Gyroscope. Maybe it's important. Ah, there's no glass. Man, I need to start increasing production, so put the other one here. Add more sand collection. It's necessary. I wish it would show all the resources so I could check. Sand is fine. I really need more glass. Okay, do I need this one here? Gyroscope maker, so we can speed up production. Let's go. We're out of sand. Oh god, sand, not glass, right? There we go. Now there's a ton of glass. Now let's go back and make this one. Come on, I need to speed up gyroscope production. Technology unlocked. Mechanized shovel. What is this mechanized shovel? This is for sand, right? Put it in the sand and speed it up. Extraction speed. I didn't even need this one because the inventory is pretty much full. I needed to speed up the glass smelting here. I unlocked iron-rich rocks. Now I can move this over here, closer to the rock. Put it here. Oops, hang on. I pressed the button by accident. Move it here. Move it here. Now it produces more because of the placement bonus. I'm putting it on the rocks so output increases. Distance doesn't matter much, right? Missing an upgrade and acceleration here. Alright, speed up the production there. I need the spinning widgets, but the problem with the spinning widget is that I can't do it. I can't produce much of the gyroscope. Because we're running out of glass. The glass needs to be better. This is way too slow. And do I also have the widget? I do, right? No, I don't have much, no. Let's fill this up with widgets again. Alright, the warehouse isn't ready yet. The warehouse is still missing the rotating widget. I'm putting the rotating widget in 200 places. We can improve right now. I learned something here. Where is it? Increases smelting speed by 25% for each adjacent iron smelter. Oh, so if I put them close together, right? See? Here it's 25, there it's 50. So making a square block like this will be interesting. Maybe I'll have to expand, right? Maybe I'll have to expand and add more glass, maybe? So, but this never ends here. Let me check the technology. I think maybe we should stop the technology for now. Done. The rotating widget is costly here. See, it's finished. Now we're going to start producing the glass. Will it keep the temperature or not? More or less, right? No, I want to make this new glass furnace now when I click. Let's make some widgets, increase the speed, get the upgrades, and let's go. Look, the glass factory is finished, so upgrade here so we can make more glass. And let's make more glass because we have the sand. The problem is making the glass. The gyroscope factory is finished too. Let's go. Don't we have enough widgets? Damn, man, it's starting to get a bit complicated. Now I think I have to build more factories. Maybe building more factories would be a good idea. You can do it like this. See, I can hold shift to build several at once. Do it like this. Then I wanted to buy the upgrades for everything because now it's cheap to do. No, not that much. There's not enough ore. I need more ore. If I want to expand this here, I can, but yeah, it's going to be tough. I start expanding the factory, I need more resources. Then I need to make more of these factories here and more of these factories here. Then I just leave it. I don't need this one. For now, the warehouse only increases by 10 for all items. My god, go. I need more ore, and for that, I need more ingots over here. The iron needs to speed up, so go to technology and upgrade the iron. Everything's already upgraded, except for this one here, which is still slow. I need more gyroscopes. Come on, make more gyroscopes. We're missing parts. Why am I not making parts? Because we're missing ingots. We're missing ingots because we can't smelt everything. Hey, Leray, because there's not enough iron, so we're missing resources on the side now. So I have to focus on making this here. Look, ingots, but, you know, we're missing them. Wow, now everything's messed up. Why isn't this done? Are we missing basic widgets? How many do I have here? I'm not even... Ingots. It's not producing properly because I don't have enough iron. So let's go. I need things to move along. It takes a while, apparently now. There's no way for me to stop some factories, like stop making this here, like block it from making it. So we can expand this whole thing here. It's the ingot, we're producing 16 per second in theory. The problem is it's not coming. Iron ore is too slow. Let's click here. No factory showed up. No, I needed to focus on making this a priority. Okay, let's click more on iron. That's what we need to do. Let's go here. Look, it spins 4 or 5 times every click. This will accelerate the foundries and the entire construction process. Maybe I need to, before building this, just build here first. Look, because there are already some built, right? But they're not automatic, or are they automatic? Look, isn't this one? The optimizer starts smelting when full. Let's finish this. I need a gyroscope here and an ingot there. Okay, let's go. Build everything here to do it automatically and see if they're all producing automatically. I need to speed this up. It's already getting faster, so build everything in the middle now. Storage is full because it can't keep up with production outputs. Let's go! Produce more. And here, it's producing everything. Here it's not. Come on, put more resources in the machine. It's producing well. This one produces more. Build everything. Produce the upgrade here. Click on the stuff. Storage is full. Now I need this to be produced so we can build everything. I'm kind of expanding the base of my production. The iron ore is running out fast. Let's try again. Click. I need to build more widgets now. They're needed for us to upgrade everything. I'm building so much that everything's dropping to 0. The bars are gone, but I can still build. And here we need basic widgets. See? So I need more iron for us to make all the necessary upgrades here. Look, this one already has everything, all the upgrades. Here, it's just missing a gyroscope, but that's fine. It's being built little by little. It needs to come closer. Let's go. More bars again. Let's create more. I need to make widgets, so finish all bars. Which widget is being used everywhere now? Now, here in the update, I don't have anything else to do in the update except for this one. I'm canceling it for now. I'd like to build more factories, but I need more basic widgets first. Please build everything needed so things like these factories can run on their own. Look, I can't keep clicking on this stuff. I just can't. Check if the upgrades are correct. There are none here. I'll click everything. Still no upgrades. Let's go. I need more iron. The expansion will be exponential. Steel production is moving fast here. Let's go. More of that. Now what I need to do is make the upgrades. Do it like this. No, this one first. Upgrade everything. Check for items without upgrades and handle the rest. Look, all the widgets are gone, but how much is it? We can make more. Yes, keep going. The bar is gone. My god, it's all here. Make as much as possible. Not yet. It's almost done. Some are moving, but I need more widgets. Come on. Keep clicking here. I need to make a lot of widgets. Come on. Good. Stay at the max widget level. That's it. You finished, right? Now we just need the gyroscopes. Let me check how many I need. There are few. I need to make more. Let's go. Now I can continue making this since the iron production is supplying it. The glass production here. How is it? Let me see. The glass production is okay. A little over 90. When I produce, I see how much I have in my inventory, right? Let's go. I'll make more gyroscopes. Here, it's making more, right? Because the widget is the rotational one working. Click here, upgrade all of these here. All right, upgrade everything. I wish the upgrades would come automatically already. You don't have to click everything, you know? There you go, make more widgets. Are we at the widget limit yet? I think I need to build a factory for this. Look, I can upgrade here now. I spend gyroscope and spinning widget to increase productivity by 40% by placing exactly one other widget factory adjacent. So I'll go 2 by 2. So the idea is kind of to do it like this, right? 2 by 2, one next to the other. I made another here with all improvements done. What we have to propose to do here is to put improvements. For example, here, look, 40%. Should we make more gyroscopes? Is that okay? I produced 14 here, 18, let's go. 25 seems it was the gyroscope here. I need the spinning widget now. What's the production status? Set it to automatic and improve everything here. And then we can click on the thing and do it by hand if I want to. I unlocked widget twins. Now they'll produce faster. Look, 40%. When they're right next to each other, everything is produced here. Workers and upgrades, everything needs improvement. Let me increase how much goes into the warehouse. Just like this. Here the production is good. Look, 125, 75% more. 200 for this one in the middle. Let's go. I'll produce more bars and I'll produce more widgets. Damn, man, this is insane, huh? How's production going now? Can we add more? I need more spinning widgets here. We're missing these gyroscopes here. Let's make more here. Make some squares like this. I need more spinning widgets. Come on, this is what's missing. But then I don't have a gyroscope. Is there any technology I can improve that I'm not seeing? It doesn't look like it. I've already improved everything, right? I just need to organize the factory to reach level 3 since I need 961 spinning widgets. The problem is, look, I'm building this gyroscope, but it needs glass. I'm checking over there. It's at 13 glasses, dropping to 12 production is down, but the gyroscope remains steady. But now I need to come here and help melt more glass. Apparently, because it's not able to produce at the speed I wanted. Or I could buy another glass factory. How's sand production going? Let me check on that. It's low. I might need another sand production. Hold on. Ah, yeah, it can be right here. But I need more spinning widgets. Let's build more of these here. That's it. I'm making something that's going to be automatic. This spinning widget is annoying to make, huh? This one is annoying to make. My God, my brother, look at this. The screw part here, right? The widget is working. The screw, the rotator here is spinning too. With all the upgrades happening, I want to check if I've already bought everything for this one. I think I have, right? I may expand my glass factory and add another sand one. Look, the spinning widget. Look, it's producing on its own. See? I'm not doing anything. It's producing. It's taking a while. But then I come here. I buy all the sand upgrades and produce more sand. And we're going to make more glass. Let's move the glass factory up here. Bring them all here. We'll make one more and let's melt glass here. We're missing ingots, rotary widget. For that, the problem is here. See, right? The gyroscope is missing glass, so I'm making more. Let's click then. The sand is doing well at 135, but the glass is slower. That's why I'm making more. Let's build more glass factories here. Raise and control the temperature and move forward. Produce more glass for me. How's the gyroscope doing here? I produce it, but it's slow. It'd be nice to have more here. We have many basic widgets. Let's add more here. We'll keep building more factories for this. It will keep growing and the factory won't stop. Let's go build more widgets. Now it's in the upgrade phase. I don't have to keep clicking all the time. Upgrade the glass here. Everything's upgraded. More glass factories then. Done. And we let it keep growing. The factory keeps growing. Until the point where I look and say, basic widget is dropping because I keep checking. See? We're missing glass. We're missing gyroscopes. We're missing spinning widgets because of these here. So I need more glass and more gyroscopes. Let's make another one. Start production here. At the glass factory, I really needed to focus, huh? Let's click on the glass to make it faster. I wish it would notify me when the factories are ready. It's speeding up, but it's way too cold. I need to click and upgrade this for glass production. Let's check. Glass production is still low, just 3 or 5. That's the tricky part, so let's build more glass factories. And put the workers here already, speed it up, and let's build. Come on. More worker upgrades. Too cold, speed it up, heat up the furnace, and let's go. That's it, guys. We really have to keep expanding. There's no other way. For example, rotating widget. Maybe I even need more factories. You can select and move the factories somewhere else. Maybe if I put them over here, there will be more space. Can you do it like this? A few more? Let's click here to get more widgets. We'll stop once it goes positive since we've got everything. I just need the spinning widget now. Build more factories. I keep forgetting about the workers. You can't do that. Look over there. Otherwise, the factory will stop and won't build anymore. I wish it would show me, you know. Look, we're missing a worker here. Not all the upgrades have been done here. There's something here, but it must be an upgrade. Well, it looks like things are moving now, huh? Looks like things have started to move. Build more widget factories, build some spinning widgets here. But look, they're still manufacturing. This side is still missing, huh? The gyroscopes, but I don't know why they're missing. Maybe I should build more, maybe a few more here. My setup is like this. Keep going, man, don't stop. Production can't slow down. Wow, it's getting expensive, just like a clicker game, right? It starts getting extremely expensive to make more. Look, spinning widget 125 here, but it's growing, see? Look at the speed, I'm not even clicking. The widget is spinning, but it's a bit slow. I'll check what else is missing. Gyroscope and basic widget, but it's basic widget. We could even have more, right? I think we can even make more here like this. Look, build it, do the upgrades, and go for it. Same thing with the other one here, let's see. I need more basic widgets. You can click to manufacture. We're out of steel bars. No, it can't be that I have to increase the iron smelting here. I think maybe I do. There's not enough ore. My God, it never ends. We're not stopping business growth or the factory. It will keep going. Are we going to put a spinning widget here? Maybe it's better to let them finish building everything. Since they're building, we handle upgrades, but it's a lot. Iron ore is scarce, right? It just regenerates and isn't meant to make anything else. But I need basic widgets, which aren't being made. Why aren't they being made? I don't know. Maybe they're being used somewhere else. Done. Built all the mines. Let's make more. Now here, let's make them all. Raw resources ready? Everything's here at max. How's spinning widget production? Going well, right? 80 something, but the sand is running out now. Add more sand. Yeah, there's no end. We're going to do this forever. There's no end. Put 2 more sands here, just so we can be prepared. We have to keep an eye on what's running low. That's it. I come here and say, glass is running low, sand is running low, the gyroscope is running low. Let's set it to level 3, see if we can upgrade. Look, 208 gyros have already gone to technology level 3. Let's go. Make more widgets. Production is maxed out. These guys are updated. One here has no worker and is idle. I can't keep clicking this. Add more workers. Let's go. That's it. Let's see. It's already at 405. Man, it's fast now, huh? Things are fast now. Let's see. The glass here is crap, right? This thing won't go. Build more factories here, mano. I'll make a bunch. Make glass there, guys. Please. That's it. Maybe I really have to wait a bit. I'll keep clicking on the glass here, man. 827 basic widgets to build the stuff here. It's getting a little insane. I think I need more steel foundries. We have to do it like this, you know, again, make some blocks this way. Actually, if I do it down here, I can do it like this. Cancel these ones and put this one right here on the side. Just move their position. It will be built soon, though it's expensive. I don't have enough bars. We're missing iron ingots to make basic widgets, and that brings down the whole production. I'm expanding here, look, but it's not coming. The problem is when I build. See how everything is here, look. Around 200, including 170 iron ingots. All the iron ingots ended up here. It's not that production stopped. It's that the iron ingots are being produced. Look, they're produced and then they're delivered without even showing up for me. They're delivered in this pile of resources here. Look, 370. Now I can't manufacture the widgets. Raising it like this is complicated, because then I have to keep waiting. You need to put the iron ingot here first, so I have to wait. There's no other option. The ideal would have been to start from the bottom up, first focus on making more iron. We always need to start here before tackling more complex ones. So, I should have started with the iron ingot. Finished. Now move on to the iron ingot. Finished. Basic widget, finished, and so on. Got it? If not, the others over there get all messed up. The demand starts to become kind of unsustainable. That's why I wanted to have a button to click and say, focus on this here, because then all the resources will come to this point. I wish I could focus on the iron mine here, but the production is slow and iron steel bars are piling up again. So now I can click here to manufacture these widgets that are missing. There are around 3,000 widgets missing across the entire base. The worst mistake you can make is this. It's upgrading too many things at once. The worst mistake you can make. Now I have to deal with the consequences here, but that's okay. Let's do the upgrades here so we can get more iron. Let's go. Now produce the widget non-stop. Don't stop producing. We've got plenty of steel bars and we've got plenty of iron bars here for us. Look at this. I used all the resources. It's rising again. And I still haven't accumulated the standard widgets. The simple ones. Look. Production started here. Keep clicking and upgrading everything. I need more iron. The more iron I get here, the better. Yeah, all the factories are being built. Look, 600, 700. Let's cancel this here. Let's cancel this here. Now we can create widgets and start producing more iron. It's not an iron problem. The problem is that I built too many things at once. Look at this. The steel bars keep piling up. I'm clicking non-stop and it won't stop. Maybe I need to build more of this factory here. Widget factory. It might be interesting for us to make it, so let's go. How are the upgrades going here? This one needs to improve. This one needs to improve. Manufacture. Where are the workers? There aren't any. Where am I doing this? Oh, I'm here placing it. Oh, no, I'm not. No, this is already complete. I have no idea. Let's go. Keep going. Keep manufacturing. Don't stop. Okay, it's piling up. It's piling up. Does that mean it made all of them here? Okay, storage is full. Great. Did it finish everything down here? Now I need to do all of this here. Done. There. Let them manufacture on their own. I don't want to have to get involved in this. I want them to keep making the iron bars by themselves. Perfect. And the worst part is that it keeps increasing. You can't do it with unlimited quantities. The amount of resources needed to build the buildings becomes very exponential. Alright, it's producing a lot now. It would be nice to add more of these here, right? Let's build more basic widgets. We're out of iron. Why did we run out of iron? Isn't there a lot here to make iron? Ah, now it's producing. Nice. So, produce the widgets automatically here. Let's go. Produce more. That updated. I built 100 frames already, which are like factories. Nice. Grab more here. Reached level 3 in 1 hour, 14 minutes, 14 seconds. Now I can upgrade. Check this out. Increases iron mining speed by 40%. I need energy. Widget capacitor. Oh my god, and what about this one? Doubles the amount of level 3 items crafted manually. I need energy, which means I have more resources here. Oh, oil-filled pumps oil from deep within the earth, oil power plant, battery assembler, and capacitor bank. Absurd, but that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Pretty cool, right? Widget Incorporated. The game is good, man. What a cool game, dude. Very interesting because it's a clicker, but it's not just about clicking. There are all these mechanics involved, and I think that's phenomenal. It's a lot of fun, and I'm sure many will say, what an amazing game. If you haven't left a comment, do it now. You made it this far, man. Go on, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, that's it, guys. See you next time. A kiss, I'm out.